Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to use Google Chat. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To use Google Chat, open your Google Chrome browser, click on Google app icon on upper right corner, and here you will find an icon Chat. Click on Chat. You will find an welcome page, and I'm going to skip this option. First you need to click on new chat icon on upper left corner, add anyone or multiple people directly from here, or you can create a space. I'm going to add an email account in my chat. Just click on the email account. Now click on start chat. The email account is added. Now you can start chat here. I'm going to send a message, hello, and then click on the send icon here, and look, the reply list reached to my Google Chat, and again I can type the reply, I know you, and then click on send. You can change your text, click on formatting option. You can bold your message, or you can use italic, or you can use underline, or you can change the text color, or you can use bullets, and also you can insert link here. You can also start video calling with your Google Chat. On upper right corner, click on the video icon. Allow voice and video, and you can use video calling from here. I'm going to stop video calling. In this way you can use Google Chat from your laptop or Android mobile phone. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.